You're a cameraman. Like, I won't drink water inside, but there are too many people. I don't show anyone's face. It'll be harder for us to edit.
If you went inside with a GoPro, everybody's
And
gonna
if I
cook
don't
us.
blur anyone's face, guys,
If
teach
you-
me
if
how
you-
to edit.
I can teach you how to edit. I'm a cameraman. That's why cameramans edit.
Cameramans don't edit. Editors edit.
No, cameramans edit only, bro.
Cameramans give raw footage.
Bro.
Editors edit.
If this had a flashlight, this would
Guys,
be cool.
tell who's in the comment section. I don't know how to enable the comment section, but if I somehow figure, tell who's correct. This
Me,
Yeah.
Akam's friend,
Ayan, write W Ayan if he's correct, or write W Akam. I'll just tell you my spelling, because of course.
EKAM.
Write my name EKAM. Okay.
If you write AKA
You could just find that thing in the
channel,
my channel name.
Yeah. Channel name. Just find the spelling in the channel name. What's your channel name again?
Akam Veer Singh. Subscribe when you read.
Akam using?
Akam Veer Singh. I'll just search on your phone and give.
You have to walk another
This guy's
mile.
gonna be in all of my videos after this.
Yes.
Today morning we just did such a good thing. Do not tell because that's gonna be our next video.
Yeah.
Do not tell what we did.
Yeah. Don't tell what we did, bro.
Today morning, it was actually crazy.
Yeah, it was actually
Some
crazy.
uncle's house.
At 4 o'clock, bro.
Hey, don't tell, don't tell.
At 4 o'clock. The time is at 4 o'clock. We're not telling you. No, we actually.
4 o'clock?
No, we
Not
did at
4
3.
o'clock.
We did. Then what time?
Not 4 o'clock, like 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock.
Yeah, maybe 1 or 2.
Yeah.
It's literally 5 o'clock. 5.
It was glass. Yes.
If you stepped on it, you're dead, bro. These are blurred. No, nobody can see because of your thing, bro.
No.
Of your
Go a
body.
little behind, man. You were supposed to be walking like, hey, another cat. Oh, hey, don't show the camera.
Why
Anyways,
did
I
you
lost.
say it, bro?
Anyways, I lost. Aura.
So-
Okay, let's check out these birds. Do they run? Or do they bite? Do you bite? Does she bite? Or he?
See?
You own her, right?
It's your sister. I'm a boom star. What's this?
You wanna sell them?
They bite?
For sure. If you hurt them, so don't hurt them.
What's that?
Can we touch them?
But who's that? Whose bird is that?
Not mine.
It's outside. Why they're not flying?
I thought theirs bird. They maybe trained it. That's why they don't fly.
I think I punched him.
This is so cool. Look. This is put it here.
Yeah. Put the yellow one. Put the yellow one. Put the yellow one.
This is air
Guys, tell what these birds are called. I've seen these in some like outside. I think US or something. What are these birds called, God? If you know, write in the comment
If
section.
it was real, bro.
How much does it hurt?
Whoa.
Should I take a bite? Guys, if I take a bite, please like and subscribe. I'm scared.
Nah, don't do it.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
You will die, bro.
Oh,
He's
it's
falling.
He's falling.
It come don't.
Should I?
You don't have teeth.
What if it doesn't hurt?
They don't have teeth. They like those.
Do you bite? No. She doesn't bite.
She doesn't bite.
She bites. He bites.
You can talk.
I think it's a he.
Yeah.
Ask them.
How are you? Do you bite? Nah.
Oh, see?
They cannot talk.
I said yeah.
Nah.
They cannot talk.
That was me.
Yeah, are you? Okay, come on. Go back.
Come.
How can they go inside and eat
Please
it?
don't bite me really hard. I'm scared. It doesn't fly.
They trained it.
Whose is this? Oh, because they cut the wings. Oh, they cut the wings. I can see it. They cut the wings so
Why are
they
they
can't.
cutting the wings, bro?
Oh, so bad.
Why did they cut it?
If you touch it, you're Sigma. Yeah, you touched it. You're Sigma.
You can touch. You can
Oi.
touch this one.
Don't return. Hey man, come on. Yeah. Is this was selling? Oh, no wonder.
No wonder. Let's go.
This one really works. That one is okay. Galaxy one. Give me alone. How much time would it take for those birds to grow their wings back?
I think maybe like 6 months or something, or 10 months or something.
Not 10 months. I think 6 months.
I think 1 year or something.
Guys, we don't know. Oh my god, I just saw that kid in front of his dad. He's doing this.
Wait, what?
Check him out. That guy. Oh. Hey, no, don't say that. We all, that's all we say.
What did he do?
He was doing this.
Bro.
6,
Actually?
yeah, actually. While drinking chai. He thought the chai was hot.
What was like 6? 600, right on.
Machines over here. If this was in India, they would take the screen up. It's 6:14.
If they had coins in there, that would be cool.
One time I found 50 fills in there.
One of my friends, they were searching for coins in a vending. Those toys, those vending machines and all, where we can get those fluffy toys. He actually, his friend checked the vending machine and coins came out.
So
At least like 2 dirhams.
I found 50 fills in rupees. It's equal to 50 fills into rupees, 12 dirhams.
50 fills.
Dead on 12 dirhams or something.
So it's gonna take another. We are vlogging for 32 minutes, bro.
32 minutes? Alright guys, we need to end the vlog. Okay.
So where you wanna go now?
Guys, I guess that was it for today. Guys, I'll show you a cool trick. My cameraman is not touching anything. GoPro, stop capture.